Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're checking out 5 SUVs that only smart people buy. Not for show, but for solid value, reliability, and peace of mind. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Toyota Highlander. Ranked as one of America's smartest mid-size SUV buys, the Toyota Highlander is what happens when practicality meets premium without breaking the bank. Starting around $39,000 for the base LE and reaching up to $48,000 for the fully loaded Platinum trim, it hits the financial sweet spot. Affordable enough to make sense, yet upscale enough to satisfy. And while rivals dazzle with gimmicks that break before the warranty's up, the Highlander keeps it simple and solid, earning near-perfect reliability scores from Consumer Reports year after year, making it not just a great new buy, but a certified pre-owned champ, with 5-year-old models still holding strong on resale value. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.4L turbocharged engine delivering 265 horsepower paired with an 8-speed automatic for smooth acceleration and confident highway cruising. While the hybrid variant steals the show with up to 36 mpg city and 35 mpg highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient 3-row SUVs in the game. Inside, it's built for families who don't compromise, offering standard seating for 8 available second-row captain's chairs, a 12.3-inch touchscreen on higher trims, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available 11-speaker JBL premium audio system. Safety isn't an afterthought either, with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus standard across all trims, bringing pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist to every drive. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just making a Costco run, the Highlander delivers comfort, quiet, and capability wrapped in a sleek, refined design that ages gracefully. So if you're tired of buying into hype and ready for something that actually works year after year, the Highlander is the SUV that proves sanity is the smartest choice in the lot. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is what happens when smart American drivers say no to bland and yes to a compact SUV that blends upscale design, reliable performance, and real value. Starting at around $29,000, the CX-5 feels more premium than its price tag suggests, with a sculpted exterior, available 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlight, and a refined cabin that offers soft-touch materials, real wood or metal accents on higher trims, dual-zone climate control, a 10.25-inch infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available features like a 10-speaker Bose audio system and ventilated front seats. Yet it's not just about looking good, it's about long-term peace of mind, with Consumer Reports consistently rating it 4 out of 5 or higher in predicted reliability, and owners reporting fewer trips to the dealership and lower maintenance headaches compared to rivals like the Ford Escape or Jeep Cherokee. Under the hood, you get a 2.5L 4-cylinder engine with 187 horsepower or an optional turbocharged version that cranks out up to 256 horsepower, both paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic and available iActive all-wheel drive that adapts to road conditions in real time. Plus, it's more agile than most in its class, with tight steering and composed handling that make every drive a bit more fun, whether you're commuting or carving through backroads. Standard safety tech includes Mazda's iActive Sense suite with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, while insurance premiums often stay reasonable thanks to its strong safety ratings and non-flashy image. So while other SUVs chase trends and try to outdo each other with gimmicks, the CX-5 quietly outperforms them where it counts, on reliability, driving experience, and long-term cost, proving once again that smart drivers don't need to shout when their car does all the right things without drama. Number 3. Subaru Forestar. The Subaru Forestar is what smart American buyers choose when they've done the research, read the reviews, and realized that flashy doesn't equal dependable. Starting at around $28,000, it's not about turning heads at the valet. It's about showing up every day, year after year, without excuses. With standard symmetrical all-wheel drive that doesn't charge you extra just to handle a snowy New England driveway or a muddy trail in Oregon, and a 2.5-liter boxer engine delivering 182 horsepower paired with a Lineartronic CVT that prioritizes smooth efficiency over drama, returning up to 33 mpg on the highway and making it one of the most fuel-efficient AWD SUVs in its class. Inside, You get a surprisingly spacious cabin with nearly 75 cubic feet of cargo space, supportive cloth or available leather-trimmed seats, available heated front and rear seat, a panoramic sunroof, and a straightforward Starlink infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard, plus an optional 8-inch touchscreen and Harman Kardon audio on higher trims. Safety-wise, Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, pre-collision braking, and lane departure warning, helping the Forestar earn top safety pick ratings from the IIHS and making it one of the safest bets in the segment. And when it comes to reliability, Consumer Reports gives it a consistent 5 out of 5, while real-world owners regularly push their Forestars well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance averaging under $700 a year. No mystery bills, no random warning lights. Just a rock-solid SUV that's built to last, not to impress your neighbor's Instagram feed. So if you're tired of buying into hype and ready to own something that simply works and keeps working, the Forestar proves that the smartest vehicles are the ones that quietly win the long game. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V is what smart American buyers choose when they want an SUV that doesn't just look good on paper, but actually delivers year after year. Starting at around $30,000, the CR-V blends long-term reliability, excellent fuel efficiency, and everyday practicality into one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs on the market, earning an impressive 82 out of 100 in Consumer Reports' predicted reliability rating and consistently ranking among the top in its class, with a fuel economy of 28 mpg city and 34 mpg highway from its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers 190 horsepower and pairs with a CVT for smooth, efficient performance, while the available hybrid model pushes those numbers even higher with up to 40 mpg city. Inside, the CR-V feels more premium than its price tag, offering a spacious cabin with over 76 cubic feet of cargo space, dual-zone climate control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 9-inch touchscreen, available wireless charging, and even heated front seats and a power tailgate on higher trims, making it perfect for families, commuters, and anyone who wants comfort without complication. Safety is top tier too, with the Honda Sensing Suite standard across all trims, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation, helping it earn top crash safety scores from the IIHS and NHTSA. And when it comes to long-term ownership, the CR-V excels with low maintenance costs, affordable insurance, and slow depreciation that makes it one of the best resale values in its segment. Plus, parts are easy to find. Mechanics know it inside and out, and many owners report hitting 200,000 miles with only routine service. So if you're looking for an SUV that won't surprise you with hidden costs, won't leave you stranded, and won't feel outdated 5 years down the line, the CR-V is the rational choice that continues to prove common sense is anything but boring. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 is what smart American drivers pick when they want an SUV that shows up every day, doesn't break the bank, and delivers real value without the drama, starting at just around $28,000 in a market where the average new car costs nearly $47,000. The RAV4 stands out as a grounded, responsible choice with a proven track record of reliability, earning a perfect 5 out of 5 from Consumer Reports and consistently ranking among the most dependable compact SUVs on the road, thanks to Toyota's legendary build quality and engineering that regularly sees these cross 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine pushing 203 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic transmission that offers solid power for daily driving. Or you can opt for the RAV4 Hybrid, which delivers an impressive 219 combined horsepower and up to 41 mpg in the city and 38 on the highway, putting more money back in your pocket every time you pass a gas station. Inside, it's spacious, functional, and surprisingly refined, offering nearly 70 cubic feet of cargo space. Available dual-zone climate control, a 10.5-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital gauge cluster, and even available ventilated front seats and a panoramic moonroof on higher trims. Every RAV4 comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes full-speed adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, and road sign assist, making it one of the safest picks in its class according to both IIHS and NHTSA. And when it comes to ownership, the RAV4 keeps costs low with affordable maintenance, excellent resale value, and wide parts availability that ensures you'll spend more time driving and less time at the shop. So while other SUVs try to wow you with gimmicks and turbochargers, the RAV4 quietly builds its legacy mile after mile, proving that smart, reliable, and efficient doesn't have to shout to stand out. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos. And to see 2 worst and 3 best Japanese SUVs, then click on the left video. And to see 5 most reliable SUVs, then click on the right video.